Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM card into this device. I want to start off by quickly mentioning that I am not aware how what the device offers in US, as for instance Apple iPhones do not have a SIM tray in US, but they do, for instance, in Europe, where I am from. This device for me does have a SIM tray, so I'll be doing this as though obviously you do have one as well, but I'll also show you where you can find additional options if you don't have a SIM tray, or maybe you just want an additional SIM number. So for this we will need our SIM ejector, which will come with the device. It just won't look as nice as this one. Typically it looks like a piece of metal, just kind of uninspiring considering how much this device costs. But in any case, once you grab that, or maybe if you can't find it, what you could grab also is a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends, cut off the plastic wrapping, and it should be just as well, work as well. Anyway, so once you have that ready, the tray is located on the top of the device. It's positioned on a side where you have the cover display. Top of it, you can see, and there will be a tiny little hole in this cutout. If camera can focus, and there we go, you can see it right here. So when you push this in, the tray will pop out. There we go, that's good enough. I can just use my fingernail, pry it out. And on the tray, I have space for just a single SIM card and literally nothing else. The SIM card tray does have a retention bracket, so I recommend kind of sliding it like this at an angle. You can just, while pushing it down, you can also slide it forward like this. Should be completely flush on the tray. And if you flip it upside down, this card should not be falling out of it. And from there, you can just pop it back into your device. It should start to work right away, hence why it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. And that's really all you need to do for a physical SIM card. Now for eSIM, if you don't have a tray, or maybe you just want to add a second number, you can navigate into your settings. Let me first get rid of this. So you can navigate into your settings. Let's get rid of this one. And in settings, you want to navigate to, I believe it's connections and SIM management, and then add eSIM. Now you will need internet connection for this, either a mobile or Wi-Fi, and from there you can add it in a couple different ways. Probably the most common one would be to scan the QR code. So you'll in your email usually get, when you convert your SIM card to eSIM, you get like an email with this QR code, which you can scan to, trying to see if I have one, but I don't, to basically quickly connect to your eSIM. It's super straightforward. Once you do that, it should then appear here as well, or potentially where the eSIM is. Instead of add, it will just show you a number. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.